Hello folks and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video I did show you how you can play your favorite mobile games on your PC in an extremely easy way. Today I'm gonna show you how you can stream your multimedia that you have on your PC to any device at home. Like it could be your TV, your tablet, your smartphone, your gaming console like PlayStation, Xbox, whatever, another computer, audio receivers, whatever it can be. This software can stream it, this multimedia in extremely easy way. The only thing that you need to set up is actually just adding the directory where your files are. If you go into other downloads, you see that it supports macOS, Linux, Docker, and of course Windows, depending what kind of OS you have. This is the application that you need to download. Once you download the application, just install it the normal way. There is nothing to configure it, and just start the application. So I'm just gonna start the application on my end, and we're gonna see a bunch of options here. We don't care about anything. We don't need to set up anything outside, just going into the shared content. Okay, the only thing that we need to do is just adding the folder where our multimedia on our PC is. For example, I made one directory with few pictures and few movies and few videos. I'm just gonna go there. It's on D, it's called media test. I'm just gonna open. We added the directory already, so we can do restart. That's gonna take some time, but for the first time when we are in directory, we're just gonna close the application and we're gonna start the application again. This way, the folder that we just had, which is this folder that is located on my hard drive D media test, is gonna be added to the server, and we can start playing whatever content is inside this folder. We just need to wait for a bit here. As you can see, it's scanning the folders and it's scanning whatever information is inside our folders. Now we are ready. Once we do that, we can share this content on any device that we have. Only thing that we need to do is open our browser and type this address that we're gonna see right here. The address may depend on your local network, so this is the address that I'm gonna see on my network. So this is what I'm typing in my browser, and if I go into the media test where I share this media folder just right now, if I go on pictures, I'm gonna see a few pictures that I added inside this folder. I can go next picture, you get the idea. If I go on media test and movies, I have like a few videos that I added here. We're just gonna click play, and the multimedia that is inside is gonna start playing. So as we can see, we just can go into the full screen and watch the video or the movie, whatever we want to watch. If we go next, it's gonna load up the next video that we have. So you can load as many videos as you want. If you have, like, for example, let's say movies and they have subtitles, the subtitles are gonna play as well. So pretty much that's the method. The only thing that you need to do is install this Universal Media Server program at the directory where your multimedia is. If you're starting the application for the first time, just exit the application, start it again, wait the files to be loaded, and after that, in any browser, when you type the address that you see here, it might depend, as I said, depending on your local network, you're gonna be able to see everything that is in the folder that you share. If you miss out how you can stream any multimedia from your phone directly to your TV, make sure you check out this video, and I'm gonna see you into the next one.